So over here, you can see that I got multiple slides right here in Terabox slide editor. Now let's say I want to go ahead and duplicate one of the slide so that it can be displayed multiple times. In that case, you can simply go on to the slide that you want to duplicate and right click and then click on copy slide right here. And then it is copied out just like this. And you can simply go ahead and click and drag the slide wherever you want to change the order. If you don't want the slide anymore, or if you want to go ahead and delete out some slide, then all you need to do is go to a slide right here, right click, and here you can see that delete slide is an option as well, just like this. You can also go ahead and, let's say for example, select out all the slides, right click and copy out the slides right here, and then go ahead and paste out the slides right here, just like this as well, to create multiple copies. So let's just go ahead and paste, and you can see that you can paste out a group of slides just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and duplicate out slides, and you can select out multiple slides right here, and then let's say for example, delete the slides right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and duplicate and delete out slides that you have in Terabox slide application. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.